Sunshine School Birpara Alipurduar is an abode of education. Here we not only teach children what to think but how to think. The beauty about Sunshine lies in the strong bond that the teacher and the student shares. We as Sunshine family not only consider this as an educational institute but also as our second home. Since 1992 till 2021, Sunshine has rose and shone like a shooting star in the night sky. The staff and the teaching faculty here are the best one could get. We teach here creativity, excellence and integrity. Albus Dumbledore once said, "Happiness can be found even in the darkest of time, if only one remembers to turn on the light." Even though the past year has been surrounded by darkness, suspicious, uncertainty, the courage of the Sunshine family has been unputdownable. I thereby welcome you to Sunshine School. We are the Blue Panthers, standing with our heads soaring high, representing calm, trust and intellect simultaneously. Extreme loyalty metamorphoses us from the rest of the crowd. Defense, not defiance, being the sole motto of the Azure Panther. We have mastered the art of balancing intellect, sports and other cultural activities at the same time. We have succeeded in becoming the champions time and again, and are adamant at repeating history in the near future.
We, the majestic Murray House or the robust Red Eagles, are well known to abide by our motto, that is to greater heights. We are exceptionally well in owning raw talents and turning them into dynamite. Challenge us, we accept it openly and shake the nerves of our opponents. We are the prodigies of the institution and thus have been the reigning champions since last 5 consecutive years.
Known for the humble and loyal nature, pious values, ambition, leadership and resourcefulness. The phenomenal Pius always abides by its motto to never give in. They show brilliance in all house activities and are invincible in sports like football. During the days of glory, they have been the champion for consecutive 3 years. They win hearts by their fair play and sense of dignity.
The ultimate motto of Golden Warriors is unity is strength. The Vincent House people are known for its modesty and forbearance. We tend to go the situation in a productive manner. We always try to prove that participation is much more important than winning. The teachers of Vincent House encourage the children in such a manner that the students feel free to showcase their talents in various fields. We, the Golden Warriors, do not leave a single chance for our opponents to rebuild their strength against us.
School is a building that has 4 walls with tomorrow inside. Our Sunshine School has got 32 classrooms for instructional purposes. Our school is well equipped with staff room, school office, playgrounds, administrative blocks and toilets. The location of our school has an enormous significance and is set up free from polluting atmosphere and noises. Growing with the strength, our school is upgrading with a new version which comprises of conference room, activity room and labs for different languages.
Talking about school facilities, we avail here the best of AV rooms and labs. This is the state of the art, the physics lab of the Sunshine School. Then we have this wonderful biology and chemistry lab on the one roof, where we perform specific scientific experiments under certain guidelines given by our teachers. Next in the pipeline, I am standing in front of the audiovisual room of the Sunshine School, where the students are equipped with the audio and the visual presentation.
A room without books is like a body without a soul. The school library provides a wide range of learning opportunities for both large and small groups, as well as individuals, with a focus on intellectual learning and information literacy and the learner. Secondly, our school also has access to auditorium room, which provide many students their first introduction to performing arts, both as audiences and as performers. Last but not the least, we also have access to gallery, where students act as spectators and also enjoy their free time in the lap of nature.
Dear teachers and adorable brothers and sisters, let me introduce you to the games and cultural aspect of our school. Talking about the games aspects, we have various inter-house competitions like cricket, football, chess and carom board every year, wherein we can witness fierce competition among the houses and the talents of our students. Talking about the cultural aspects, every year we have musical and various other cultural events organized in our school. Even during these challenging times, we have celebrated various cultural activities and events like Bhanu Bhakta Jayanti, Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti via the online platform.
Introducing the school office, the control room of Sunshine, the place where every work is done with utmost care and perfection. The school office also comprises of Director Sir's office, Principal Ma'am's office and the Coordinator Sir's office. One can get any sort of information regarding the school from this place. Children are not things to be molded, but people to be unfolded. Introducing you to the junior wing of Sunshine family, where children are groomed with utmost love and care under the guidance of well-experienced and qualified teacher to shape a better future and to give them with a better tomorrow.
This is the famed corridor of Sunshine School. This is where students learn to take decisions and become scarce and mature and grow as the upcoming leader. I'm talking about class 11 and 12, where you learn diplomacy and where you become an integral part of the school.
We have never shied from accepting our responsibilities, and together we have successfully organized all the indoor and outdoor activities. Though this COVID situation has kept us away, but it could not keep us apart. And with this academic year coming to an end, our school life is going to end. But the bond and friendship which we share with each other shall always remain eternal.
Sunshine is an institution which has not only taught its students on how to soar high in their mark sheets, but also skilled them on how to be successful in their life and give something to the developing society. So here I would like to cite a few examples of the successful ex-students who have become elements from Sunshine to develop and give something to the society. First, Akanksha Yelmo Lama, working as a food officer under the government of West Bengal. Second, Dipto Rai, presently working as a software developer in Infosys. Third, Nishan Saha, director of photography. Fourth, Niharika Modi, a doctor passed out from WBUHS. Fifth, Suraj Shah, an MBBS doctor. Sixth, Priyanka Singhal, an MD in psychiatrist. So this is not enough. There are hundreds more of students in Sunshine who have got a successful life, and these are just few of the examples. No matter, in future, Sunshine will continue to produce such elements who will help in the development of the society, and they will skill the other people with their own talent and knowledge. Thank you.